Having devoted all my energies to the study of the social organisation of the society of the future, which is to replace our present one, I have come to the conclusion that all the inventors of social systems, from the ancient times to our present year, have been dreamers, storytellers, fools who have contradicted themselves and had no idea of natural science or that strange animal called man. Plato, Rousseau, Fourier, aluminium pillars, all that is only good for sparrows and not for human society. But as the future form of society is of the utmost importance, now that we at last are all ready to act, I am submitting to you my system of the world organisation, so as to make any further thinking unnecessary. I intended to explain the contents of my book to this meeting in the most abbreviated form possible. I'm afraid, however, that I shall have to add a great many verbal explanations, and that the whole of my exposition will take up at least 10 evenings, one evening for each chapter of my book. I should like to state beforehand that my system is not yet complete. I'm afraid I got rather muddled up in my own data, and my conclusion is in direct contradiction to the original idea with which I start. Starting from unlimited freedom, I arrived at unlimited despotism. I will add, however, that there can be no other solution of the social formula than mine.